we have here simple given, simple problem. Determine the resultant moment of the four forces acting on the rod shown in the figure 5, which is this, about point O. So first, we want on this map if we need. So FBD means free body diagram. So where is that going? Ayan, 30. Degrees 60 Newton. 40. 20. Then here. Millimeter. So why FBD? Naggamit ang FBD to make the figure more sincere, so mas masaya na ito makita kung sa itong tao. So, solution. Sugod dalayan na sa formula na since wala may giyatag na direction sa compound, so assuming that positive moment acts on the direction clockwise. So positive clockwise moment of resultant O, since ang O origin is equals to summation of FB. So MRO since pa-clockwise man ang direction, so kanin siya ang tabo clockwise. Since pa-downwards na siya pa-clockwise kaya po, which is may tabo 50 positive na siya Newton times 2 meters. Gayon 6. Since kani pa-counterclockwise man niya ang direction, so may mo siya negative. So, 0. Ngano? Kay walay perpendicular na distance sa iyang forces. So, mo nga 0 na siya. Tayo. So, sugod na punta 20, which is same as 16 Newton, pa-counterclockwise kaya po nilang direction, maungan mo siya 20 Newton times this distance, which is may tapos siya 3 sine 30 plus kani kahit pa-clockwise yung direction plus 40 Newton times all the overall distance is 4 meter plus this distance. So since pa-focus man yung direction x-axis, hindi mo siya 3 cos 30. Then MRO moment of torque is equals to calculation 50 times 2 minus, since kani makancel na 0 times kung sa may times nyo sa 0 is 0, so wala na siya. 20 minus 20 times 3 sine 30 plus 40 times 4 plus 3 cos 30. And we get the answer 334 Newton meter. Muna ang answer. So, question?
My question, asa na pumasok siya ang phase sign? 4 plus 30. So, kung kanang gawin ng mga sabot. O siya
so, nanilang siya. Kung ato ni siya ikat, gawin mo siya. So, 30. There, in distance. Then, fx. X-axis na. Horizontal siya. Then, along the y-axis. Force. So, una, atong gamiton is Pythagorean, which is the SOHCAHTOA. So, kani, ang fx is the adjacent. Then, the fy is the opposite. Ngayon, ang 3, which is the longest line, the triangle is hypotenuse. So, to get the fx, una, since ang SOHCAHTOA, magkuha tayo isa ka Pythagorean, which is the ang k, which is cos, ang 30 degrees, is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, fx over 3. So, pagkuha na itong fx, we just simply multiply it by 3. Both sides, para makansel ang 3. Then, ang mabilin, fx 3 cos 3. Dayon sa fy na punta, along y-axis. So, kung may tabo, same process gapon. Pero atong gamiton is so, it is the sine 30 is equals to opposite fy. Dayon, hypotenuse 3. Same process gapon, multiply ito both sides by 3 to get the fx. Then fy 3 sine 30. Muna siya ang pagkuha sa iyong direction along the process. So,
Bro, my last question is, why you only put the 2 when it comes to why you did not add the 2 meters?
So, wala na siya natin. Since atong po, since ang forces ay dala naman ng photon, nagsulod ng from its origin. So, kanila itong multiply. Muna siya. That would be all. Thank you.